environment. Single-serve beverages and snacks in plastic packaging are an easy grab and go option. We know the story whenever take a look around. And how about plastic shopping bags you get from the store? Buy it free and throw it on the go. Do you know something? Sri Lanka uses approximately 20 million shopping bags and 15 million light sheets a day. Whenever you dump those, polythene will stay for more than a decade, which will kill you slowly and surely. Not only us, it will kill our whole generation. I have to ask you all, are we really concerned about our surroundings? Take a look, the answer will be disaster. Here I come with 5 simple things you can do to end plastic and polythene. First, say no to plastic bags. Second, bottle your own water. Third, avoid plastic straws. Fourth, avoid plastic cutlery. Finally, make better choices at home. Let us use our voice and behavior to stem a tide plastic pollution. Maybe we will then read stories about pristine beaches and happy turtles. Pass on plastic because glass is fantastic. Thank you for hearing. Stay safe. Wear a mask. Finally, a humble request to all of you that use a proper disposable method before throwing away your face mask. Thank you.